Hi guys, in today's video I am showing you how to change the email address in Roblox. The process is straightforward and effortless. And for this you have to open your Roblox application. After it opens, take a look on the bottom right. Here you can see the option More. Simply tap on it. And in this menu, scroll down. And here is the option Settings. Tap on it for expanding more options. And on the first number you can see the option Account Info. Tap on it. And here is my account. This one is my display name. This one is username. And here you can see the option email address if you want to change it. Then tap on this pencil icon. And here, write your new email address and also read this. The account email will not change until the new email address has been verified. It means if you change your email address, then you have to confirm your email address through your Gmail. And once you will confirm, then your email address will be changed on Roblox.